오.
That's the first one.
오.
That's the second one. 네네. I'm gonna bake apple pie.
예.
If I surprise you 3 times with my apple pie,
Uh-huh.
you buy me a new iPhone. Deal?
Huh?
Deal?
Huh?
Deal?
Huh? So are you that much confident?
Deal?
Surprise me.
どう? How is the taste? How is it?
Yeah, you know.